Hey everyone, and welcome. So you're ready to get your hands dirty with the Rust programming language, right? You want to get it installed and start coding? Perfect. You are in exactly the right place. We're going to jump right into a super quick, no-nonsense guide to get you set up.
All right, let's kick things off with a question. Think about it. As a developer, are you constantly on the hunt for that one language that just gets it right? Something with blazing fast performance, rock-solid memory safety, without a garbage collector slowing things down, and the ability to handle multiple things at once, like flawlessly? That's kind of the holy grail we're all looking for, isn't it?
Well, that's where Rust comes in. It is the answer to that question. It's this awesome modern language that was literally built from the ground up to tackle those exact problems. Imagine having all the low-level power of something like C++, but with these amazing safety nets built right in that catch common bugs before your code even runs. And the best part? No garbage collector. That's that background process in other languages that can cause little hiccups and slowdowns. Rust just doesn't need it.
Okay, so before we dive into the actual installation commands, let's take just a second to talk about what makes Rust so special. What are its core pillars? Trust me, understanding the why behind Rust will make you even more excited to get it installed.
And Rust isn't some fly-by-night language. It's got some serious history. It actually started way back in 2009 as a passion project at Mozilla. But now, it's a fully mature, battle-tested language looked after by the independent Rust Foundation. What that means for you is that it's stable, reliable, and has a massive supportive community behind it.
So what are its superpowers? Well, it's really how everything works together. First, you get this incredible memory safety, thanks to its unique ownership model. It basically eliminates a whole category of nasty bugs while you're writing the code, not after. Then you've got that rocket ship performance. It's fast, plus a really smart type system and a huge community. But honestly, the real game changer for me? It's Cargo, the built-in package manager. It handles all your project's dependencies, builds your code, everything. In other languages, that's a whole separate tool you have to find and configure. With Rust, it's all just there. It's the whole package.
All right, enough of the why, let's get to the how. It's time to actually install this thing. We're going to use a tool called RustUp. It's the official way to do it, and believe me, it makes the whole process ridiculously quick and easy.
Now, you could technically find a standalone installer somewhere, but just don't. Seriously, RustUp is the tool you want. Think of it as your command center for all things Rust. It lets you install, update, and even juggle different versions of Rust super easily. It's the recommended path for a reason, so that's what we're going to stick with.
Okay, first up, all my macOS, Linux, and WSL users, listen up. This part is for you, and it's going to be over before you know it. You are literally one command away from being ready to go.
Pop open your terminal. See that command on the screen? Just copy that whole thing, paste it right into your terminal, and hit enter. That's it. It'll securely grab the official RustUp script and run it, and that script will handle installing the latest stable version of Rust. It could not be simpler.
All right, what about my Windows folks? Don't worry, we got you. Your process is just as simple. You're just not going to use the terminal command. Instead, you get a nice, easy installer.
All you have to do is go to the official website rust-lang.org/tools/install. Right there, you'll see a download link for a file called rustup-init.exe. Just download that file, double-click to run it, and follow the steps on the screen. The installer takes care of all the heavy lifting.
Okay, so whether you use the command line or the Windows installer, once it's finished, there are a couple of quick things left to do. And this first one is super important. You have to close whatever terminal window you have open and open a brand new one. This lets your system recognize where Rust was installed. After you've done that, we're ready for a final verification.
So in that new terminal window, type rustc, that's R-U-S-T-C, space, -version, and press enter. You should see a version number pop up for the Rust compiler. Cool. Now do it again, but this time with cargo-version. Remember, Cargo is that awesome built-in package manager. If you see version numbers for both of those, congratulations, you did it. Rust is officially installed on your machine.
We're almost there. This is the last piece of the puzzle. You have Rust installed, which is great, but to really have a good time and be productive, you need to set up your code editor. Let's make sure you have the best possible environment to write code in.
And this is where that amazing community support I mentioned really shines. It doesn't matter what your favorite code editor is, whether you're a VS Code person, a Sublime Text fan, an IntelliJ user, or even a diehard Vim enthusiast, there is a fantastic plugin for you. These plugins will give you all the good stuff, like smart code completion and syntax highlighting. Just find your editor on the list and go grab that plugin.
Now, if you're looking at that list and feeling a little overwhelmed, or maybe you don't have a strong preference, here's my pro tip. Go with Visual Studio Code and install the Rust Analyzer plugin. It's a super popular combo in the Rust community for a reason. The experience is just fantastic. It's powerful, smooth, and perfect for beginners.
And that's it. Seriously, we're done. You've installed the language, you've confirmed that it's working, and you've prepped your code editor. The entire foundation is set. You are officially ready to start your Rust adventure.
So now you've got this powerful new tool set at your fingertips. The only question left is the really fun one. What are you going to build? What amazing, high-performance, super safe application are you going to create first? The sky's the limit. Go have some fun and happy coding.